I'm Rhys. I'm a software developer for CEDA. CEDA is one of the departments in RAL Space, and we focus on two main services. The CEDA Archive, which is a long-term data store of environmental data, and Jasmine Services, which is a compute service where users can come and analyze either their own data or data from our CEDA archive. As a developer, my role is to develop and maintain the services used by our users. I'd say the best thing about my job is the environment that I get to work in. The tasks I'm given are challenging, but not too stressful most of the time. And the work-life balance that I'm able to have. I had previously done a master's in mathematical physics, and during that I was in a house with a bunch of computer scientists, and from then I got an interest in software development. So when I started looking for a job after my master's, I stumbled across the apprentice scheme. I thought it'd be a good way to continue learning whilst also doing a job and earning some money. During the apprenticeship scheme, I rotated through a range of different departments, and I think that gave me a good overview of STFC as a whole, and it also gave me a bunch of different opportunities to code in different languages, which I think I've been able to apply to my current role. I think working at CEDA and RAL Space gives me an opportunity to work on some really interesting projects, and the work I'm doing, I can see it being used in a positive way by different scientists and other people. So one of the interesting projects I've worked on is the new stack search for the CEDA archive. Because we have so much data from a range of different data sources, some coming from satellites, some from planes, some from weather stations. We need a way for users to be able to find that. So we've developed a new search engine, kind of similar to Google, but specifically for our data. Whatever your chosen subject is, try and get some practice in it. So for software developing, there's loads of tutorials online which you can have a go at, but I'd also say try and think of your own projects, because they can sometimes be a bit more interesting than the tutorial ones. So I'd probably say have a go at everything you think you might be interested in. Then once you found something you're good at and you're enjoying, practice as much as you can. Like I say, try and make it into a hobby if you can, because I think if you enjoy the thing you're working at, you don't really work, you're just having fun at the end of the day.